Let's move now to two huge legal stories developing tonight, both involving former personal attorneys to President Trump. First, Alina Habba, the president's pick for interim U.S. attorney for New Jersey, was replaced by a federal judicial panel today. Then Attorney General Bondi promptly fired the designated replacement. And in the ongoing Jeffrey Epstein case that we were just talking about, Todd Blanche, another former personal attorney for the president, now the deputy attorney general, announced he's planning to talk to the imprisoned Epstein accomplice, Ghislaine Maxwell. Let's bring in criminal defense attorney and federal litigator Vikas Bajaj. Vic, a lot to sort through tonight on both of those stories. Let's start with Alina Habba. Who has the power here? This judicial panel that said no, or the president who said that's my pick for U.S. attorney?
Well, neither one of those, actually. Those are two incredible guesses, Jonathan.
No wonder I'm confused.
But really, the power lies within the Senate Judiciary Committee. And the chairman there, who is Vikas Grassley, longtime Republican senator from the state of Iowa. Now, the reason why that is because the president says, I want someone to be the United States attorney. So that person's the interim United States attorney. To be a permanent one, that person needs to be confirmed through a Senate hearing, through the Judiciary Committee. The only person that can advance that committee hearing is the chairman, in this case, Vikas Grassley. So the issue is, why have we waited so long for the hearing to take place, knowing the 120-day clock was ticking, right? And the answer to that is that it just may be the simple situation that the juice was not worth the squeeze. There's too much surrounding this United States attorney appointment, this nomination. Perhaps the decision was made to honor the blue slip process. So what is that? Blue slip process, you go to the senators within the state. Is it a yay or nay from you? Both senators here in New Jersey said nay on Alina Habba. It's not in the Constitution, but that's tradition. Senator Grassley's been around for decades.
And just thinking not worth the fight.
It's not worth the fight. Right. You can push the Trump agenda, if that's what a longtime Republican like Grassley wants to do, with a different United States attorney that doesn't have
with somebody who's less of a lightning rod in.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Okay, let's get to the Epstein question here. Now, a lot of Republicans want a lot more information. Todd Blanche, Deputy Attorney General, says he's pursuing getting that information by looking to talk to Ghislaine Maxwell in prison right now. And President Trump said this about that possibility earlier today.
Yeah, I don't know about it, but I think it's something that sounds appropriate to do. I didn't know that they were going to do it. I don't really follow that too much. It's sort of a witch hunt, just a continuation of the witch hunt.
So that was an answer to the question, are you comfortable with it? The person going to interview Ghislaine Maxwell, Epstein's accomplice, is your former personal attorney. Is there a conflict of interest to be talked about there?
I don't think so. I don't think the conflict of interest is the issue here. I think the issue is the knee-jerk reaction from someone who has their hand in the cookie jar would be, hey, you know what? Maxwell is charged. She's convicted. She's serving a 20-year sentence. Close that door. Nobody go talk to her. But instead, we have President Trump saying, you know what? If somebody wants to go talk with her, I'm not aware of it, but talk to her. If she wants to talk with you, let's get those facts out. So it's not a question of conflict of interest, and he could have very easily raised an issue like that to thwart this type of investigation. But instead, Jonathan, what he said was, let's be transparent. If there's information out there, let somebody find it. I'm not standing in the way.
Yeah, there is a lot of information out there. We'll see how much of it we eventually learn.
Yes.
Vic, great to see you as always. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Jonathan.